This is the FFA Mechanics Contest that they usually have every year. They'll have it at typically different locations. It's just we're fortunate to have it at Montgomery Central this year. They'll have contests of welding and brazing, block laying, plumbing, three-way switch, rafter cutting, board fitting, several things. Outside they're doing land elevation measuring.
So a lot of the kids in our ag curriculum want to go into some type of mechanics. A lot of the kids want to be like welders, or we have a lot of veterinarian kids who want to do it. And competitions like this really kind of skew kids' futures of seeing like if this is something they do have an interest in, if this is something that they do want to pursue a future in, and if they want like to continue doing this, and that kind of really opens their eyes. And it gives them the opportunities to see like, is this really what I want to do? And like, if I do this, am I going to enjoy it?
From my world, in the construction world, structural systems, we can teach the skill and they can learn the skill, but it puts a new spin on it when it turns into a contest. You really get to see these students practice their skills under a little bit of pressure, and it's good for them to do that.